What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to SheDoesBeauty. And if you're new, hello. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a somewhat of a St. Patty's Day design because it's a mainly green, but you can use it for the springtime or any other florally nail design you want to do. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the first accent nail, I'm taking Cover Peach by Young Nails, and I'm just going to make sure that the nail bed is opaque and not see-through, and then I'm just going to drag it down at kind of like an angle and create a diagonal kind of like line with that peach. So after that, we're going to take an emerald green glitter and we're just going to place that in the remaining spot and just kind of not super ombre that in, but just enough to where it's kind of blended and it just looks good and not as harsh. After we have the green to our liking, we're going to take a little bit of clear and just use that as like an adhesive or a glue for our flowers. And because this is a larger piece, I'm gonna kind of encapsulate it before I encapsulate the entire nail. So I just want it to lay a little bit flat. So I'm gonna add a little bit of clear and then I'm just gonna push it down with the belly of my brush just so it kind of flushes to the nail and it's not gonna be super bulky when we encapsulate it. So now that that is secure, we're just going to continue to add flower petals around that diagonal line that we created. So now that we have our flowers to our liking, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the entire nail, and then we'll start working on the second accent nail. Now for the next nail, what we're going to do is take that Cover Peach and we're just going to cover the nail bed and ombre that down to the tip. Next, I'm going to take the emerald glitter we were using and just apply that to about half of the nail tip and ombre that into the peach. After that half is ombreed in, we're going to take some clear acrylic and we're going to apply that to that negative space and add some flowers in. After those are set in place, we're going to encapsulate the entire nail and then file, shape, and buff, and we will come back for the reveal. So a lot of you know I always have trouble with recording. My phone always seems to cut off at this point. So let's just, but look how pretty it is. I love how these came out. I think they're super cute for any color. Like if we did like a pink glitter with pink flowers, that would be super nice. Or like a red, because it's Valentine's Day. I was a little tired of Valentine's Day nails, not gonna lie, so I wanted to do some St. Patty's Day or other kind of spring type nail. But I'm really happy with how these two came out, and I paired it with the two from the last set, and I think it came out pretty good. So overall, I'm really happy with these accent nails, and I think this is overall a super cute set. Let me know down below what you think and what colors you guys would do. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.